In this lecture, we are going to study what is the meaning of spiral and what is the meaning of Archimedean spiral. Okay, let's begin with the spiral. Okay, so before explaining this definition, I would like to give you demonstration about the spiral. Okay, now let's consider. So this point O is called pole. Okay, which is remain fixed. Okay, so this point O is called pole which remain fixed. Next, so this point P which slides along this length. Okay, so this point P slides along this length. Okay, now let's say, so this link, okay, so this link takes a rotation in clockwise direction like this. Okay, takes a rotation clockwise direction by an angle of 45 degree. Okay, by an angle of 45 degree. Then what will happen? Then this point P moves away in one direction. So this point P moves away in one direction. Okay, let's consider over here and name this point P1. Name this point P1. Okay, now if this link, okay, if this link moves again by an angle of 45 degree, okay, if this link moves again angle of 45 degree, so this point P moves further away from the pole. Okay, so this point P moves further away from the pole, let's say over here. Okay, and name this point P2. Okay, now if this link, okay, if this link keep on rotating, the points keep on moving further away and away from the pole. Okay, like this. Okay, so P3, so P4, P5. You can observe here each point is moving further away and away. P5, P6, P7 and P8. Okay, next, when you join these all points from start to end, okay, when you join these all points from start to end with the help of smooth curve, then this is called as a spiral. Let's join the all points. Okay, so this smooth curve is called as a spiral. Okay, now consider the definition. Okay, it is the locus of a point moving along a straight line. Okay, moving along a line continuously in one direction. You can see, so this point P is moving continuously along a one direction. P1, P2, P3, P4. So these all points moving along a continuously along a one direction. Okay, when the line rotates in a plane, okay, when this line rotates about this fixed point O, that is pole. Okay, so pole is nothing but it is a fixed point about which this line rotates. Okay, so this is the meaning of this definition. Okay, it is the focus of a point moving along a line. So this point P moving along a line in one direction. Okay, in one direction. When the line rotates, okay, when the line rotates in a plane about one of its end. Okay, so this line rotate one of about its end. Okay, around this pole. Okay, so this is the meaning of this spiral. Okay, so like I said, what is the meaning of pole? Pole means what? It is the fixed point about which this line rotate. Okay, it is a fixed point about this line rotate in clockwise direction. Okay, next, what is the meaning of convolution? Okay, so this is a very important. Okay, what is the meaning of convolution? The curve traced out by the moving point, okay, for one revolution, okay, of the line is called as a convolution. Okay, curve traced out by moving point for one revolution. You can see, so this point is moving one revolution. Okay, so this point P is moving one revolution. After moving this point for one revolution we are getting this smooth curve. Okay, so this is called as a convolution. Okay, so this is called as a convolution. Okay, now the spiral has many convolution. Okay, this you have to remember. Okay, but in this case we have considered only one revolution. Okay, in this case we have considered only one revolution. Okay, then we will see what is the difference between spiral and Archimedean spiral. Okay, what is the difference between spiral and Archimedean spiral? Okay, so I will read the definition. It is the locus of a point traced when point is moving uniformly along a straight line. So this statement is very important. Okay, when a point is moving uniformly along a straight line, okay, towards or away from the pole, while the straight line revolve about the pole. Okay, you can see. So this point P is moving uniformly. Okay, so this point P moving uniformly along the straight line. Okay, consider. So now P to P1 is a x distance. P to P2 P2 is a 2x distance, or you can consider O to P2 as a 2x distance. Okay, O to P3 as a 3x distance, O to P4 as a 4x distance, O to P5 as a 5x distance. Okay, similarly for P6, P7 and P8. Okay, so this is the meaning of the statement. Okay, it is the locus of a point traced when a point is moving uniformly along a straight line towards and away from the pole. Okay, while the straight line revolve about the pole. Okay, so this is called Archimedean spiral. Okay.